French fries recipe. For large russet potatoes, vegetable oil. For frying, salt to taste. 1. Wash and peel the potatoes. Then, cut them into even-sized sticks or wedges about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. 2. Place the cut potatoes in a large bowl of cold water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This helps to remove excess starch and ensures crispier fries. 3. After soaking, drain the potatoes and pat them dry thoroughly with paper towels. 4. Heat vegetable oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 3 to 5 F163C. 5. Carefully add the potatoes to the hot oil in batches. Making sure not to overcrowd the fryer pot, fry the potatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are soft but not yet browned. 6. Remove the partially cooked fries from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Allow them to cool for a few minutes. 7. Increase the oil temperature to 375 F190 Celsius. 8. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the partially cooked fries back into the oil in batches. Fry them for an additional 3 to 5 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. 9. Using a slotted spoon or tongs, remove the fries from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Immediately sprinkle them with salt while they are still hot. 10. Repeat the frying process with the remaining batches of potatoes. 11. Serve the homemade French fries hot and crispy with your favorite dipping sauce or enjoy them plain. Enjoy the deliciousness of homemade French fries. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comments section.